Today we're going to show you some of the obstacles that I've been making for the recent buy, the Axial SCX 24 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. So we thought we'd make some bits this week. Just going to run through each obstacle that we've made so far that are portable to take anywhere and hopefully, take indoors in the winter time. So let's have a look. So the first one, you can see we just used some old timbers that we had, just to make a bit of a ramp and a rail. Again, nice and lightweight, probably as light as the truck, maybe a little bit heavier. When I first initially built it, it did start spreading a little in the middle, even though I had these supports on, but still looks quite good. So you can have that outside and travel underneath it, have some fun with that one. So the second one I made this week is just a plank of timber, 6 inch by roughly 1 inch length of timber, not quite a metre long, wouldn't be far off. Basically we just we had some logs in the garden on the 110 course that we got, which I'm remodelling currently. So we just cut some bits of the logs. We've got some rocks there. We've stuck them all down to this. Obviously I'm going to tidy all this sort of glue up at some point, so it looks a bit more realistic. Maybe stick some earth or some sand or something in all these gaps. And we just basically just stuck some bits on there, some old wheels off a rig, and just to give it a little bit of effect there, some super glue, and sprinkled some sawdust on there. Let that focus a bit. Got a bit on there just as a bit of a trial. That isn't too slippery actually, that bit of slate there, so I might rub that off or leave that on, but just to give it a little bit of effect. Again, it's portable, so I mean it's not overly heavy to pick up and put in a car or to take around a friend's place or something like that, or even just bring indoors or outside. Overall quite impressed with that. Just a couple of little minor tweaks on there, but otherwise quite pleased with that. And finally this week we made a seesaw, or teeter-totter as some people call it. Luckily I had a piece of timber there that was just wide enough for the Jeep Gladiator there. Does travel up quite nice. Made it nice and free. Got a couple of support legs on there. Could paint that up, make it look nice, something like that, but otherwise just leave it for now. Simple. Drilled some holes in the side, straight through these timbers. If it focuses, you can just see a couple of washers in there each side. There they are, just to give it that bit of flexibility, and it moves quite freely. So again, portable, nice and light. Could take that indoors, probably give it a nice sand up, make it look a bit neater, so no sort of splinter bits of wood come off in the house or anything like that. Again, just tidy these edges up a bit. So that's 3 obstacles that we've made. So we're going to get that outside now. I'm going to film and the lad's going to trial it out. Hope you enjoy that, and make something yourself if you've got one. easy now. Alright. Go on, whenever you're ready. Oh, good one, dude. So, as you could have seen in the video there, the 3 obstacles, we had a great fun. We did a little bit more testing off camera, but very good overall. Performed quite well. Maybe I'll make some more obstacles going forward, make them just that little bit tricky. Probably I am going to have to look into a bit of weight, adding some weight there, maybe in the wheels or something. But overall, quite impressed there. We had great fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I'm going to make some more obstacles and hopefully get some more 124 scales. Not sure on the brands yet, but we'll get some more. Run some little competitions with the family and some friends. Like I said, it's good to have the obstacles made, and you can chuck them in the car, or a friend comes around, picks you up, you can chuck them in their vehicle and take them to wherever you want, set them up and just have some fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned and have a great weekend.